In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Cloudflare account ID in 2025. Whether you're managing a website or involved in tech support, there might come a time when you need to locate your Cloudflare account ID. While the process is straightforward, it helps to have a step-by-step guide. So, let's dive right in and go through this together. First, we want to head over to Cloudflare's website. You might already have it bookmarked because it's such a valuable resource for protecting and optimizing your online presence. If you don't, just open up your preferred internet browser and type in Cloudflare, or use the URL www.cloudflare.com. Once you're there, take a moment to appreciate how Cloudflare connects and protects people and organizations around the globe. Remember, this first step is pivotal because it's your entry point to all Cloudflare services. Next up, we need to log in to our Cloudflare account. Look for the Login button on the upper right corner of the page and give it a click. You'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure these details are entered correctly to avoid any login issues. Using a password manager can really streamline this process, ensuring that you have your credentials securely stored and easily accessible. Once logged in, you'll find yourself at the home page of your Cloudflare account, which will outline all your primary resources and settings. Now, let's proceed to the Cloudflare account home. This is where things get interesting because you'll have an overview of all the domains you are managing. This interface is designed to provide at-a-glance management options for your domains, so familiarize yourself with its layout. Simply click on Account Home, and you should see a list of all the domains you manage. With your domains in view, it's time to select the one in question. Just click on the domain name you want to explore further. This action will direct you to a detailed page for that specific domain. It's worth noting that having clear and concise names for your domains will help you navigate through them effortlessly. On this page, you'll find a wealth of information about your domain's setup and configuration. Finally, the moment we've been building up to: locating your account ID. On the domain page, you should spot your account ID prominently displayed. It might be within the account settings section or near the top of the homepage, depending on any UI updates Cloudflare may have implemented since. Your account ID is a crucial piece of information you might need for various technical and administrative tasks. Be sure to note it down or save it safely for future reference. And there you have it. By following this simple guide, you've successfully located your Cloudflare account ID. This process is fundamental for anyone managing Cloudflare accounts and ensures that you're well prepared for any technical queries or adjustments. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more guides like this. Thanks for joining, and happy managing!